Alors, bonjour, chers étudiants. Good morning, or don't know at what time you are following me. Anyway, hello. How are you doing? I'm doing really good. I'm so happy. Well, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and press the notification button to not miss any upcoming videos. You know, here we make French learning quite easy. So you want to invite some of your friends to join us here to learn free grammar. Very easy, free, nothing difficult here. Well, we are doing what? Les pronoms sujets, personal pronouns or subject pronouns. So last time I told you the subject pronouns or the personal pronouns are je, which is I, tu, which is you, talking about one person, then il ou elle au singulier, which is he or she, nous, which is we, vous, which is you guys or you all, and then il ou elle au pluriel, which is they. We have they plural or they, masculine and they feminine. I'm going to explain this one today, and then we continue from there. Well, let's take it straight away from that part. They. So it can happen that you have a group of people which is a mixed, let's say a mixed group. So a group of boy and girl, you say, oh, they are there, they are coming. It is a mixed group, boy and girl. In this case, you will only use il au pluriel, il with S, I-L-S, il au pluriel. Don't ask me why. So this is discrimination against. No, I'm not into that. This is French rules. So one day that will change. But now, if you have a mixed group, the gender male will dominate in that case. So we will take il au pluriel. If you have a group of boys only, again, you are going to use il au pluriel, I-L-S, to say they are coming, or they are playing football, they are playing basketball, only they are playing. Now, in case you have only a group of girls playing basketball, or they are playing basketball, right? Then you will say L with E-L-L-E-S, E-L-L-E-S, they. Or a group of girls playing trouble. Oh, where are your friends? They are playing trouble there. Why aren't you playing? I don't like to be under the sun. Yeah, you can understand that. Right? So they are playing, so group of girls, they, L. Quite simple. Now, one more point I want to add here. Keep in mind, a personal pronoun or a subject pronoun can also be a proper noun or a common noun. I repeat again. A personal pronoun or a subject pronoun can also be a proper noun or a common noun. And then you will ask me, what is a proper noun? A proper noun is what? The noun that you have. Akil, Shweta, Jamuna, Elie, right? Those are proper nouns. Now, what is a common noun? A common noun is a collective noun, a noun that we give to, no, it is collectively given to everyone. For example, a teacher. So maybe you are studying 10 subjects. You have 10 teachers, right? So I'm a teacher. Your history teacher is a teacher. Your math teacher is a teacher. So it's a name given to a group of people, right? Like we say, engineers. Oh, my dad is an engineer. My dad is also an engineer, right? So engineer here is a common noun, right? A pilot is a common noun given to these people who have do this function, that job. We call them pilots. So pilot is a common noun. So let's try to put all this together. So if I say, Alice and Frank are coming. Alice and Frank are coming. Alice and Frank here can be replaced with which personal pronoun? So you can see here in your sentence, Alice and Frank are. It is plural. So Alice et Frank. Alice et Frank. In this case here, you have two people, Alice and addition, plural. Alice is a she, Frank is he. So remember, so male and female together, you're going to use a they. So we can replace Alice and Frank with what? They are coming. I cannot replace Alice and Frank here with a we because I'm not included, right? It is only Alice and Frank. So Alice and Frank, we can say they. So what is they in French? Il ou elle au pluriel. But in this case here, you have to use only il au pluriel. So Alice et Frank arrivent, on va dire ils arrivent. We can replace Alice with what? Il au pluriel. Ils arrivent. Ça va? OK? Bien. Now, let's give you one more example. Let's say Frank est dans la chambre. Frank est dans la chambre. Frank is in the bedroom or the room. So with what can I replace Frank here? I can replace Frank with what? He. He is in the bedroom. Frank est dans la chambre. Frank is in the bedroom. Il est dans la chambre. He is in the bedroom. C'est très simple. C'est très simple. Very, very simple. So let's come back again. So a personal pronoun can also be a proper noun or a common noun. So that's it, c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. That's all for today. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Please, come on, it is free, free. There's nothing difficult, it's free. Just share with somebody, okay? Oh bien, thank you, merci beaucoup, au revoir, à la prochaine.